Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Google Ads. Google Ads is a powerful advertising platform with a wide range of features that, that helps businesses reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. Here are some key features of Google Ads. Number 1. Key targeting. Google Ads allows you to bid on specific keywords related to your products or services. When users search for those keywords on Google, your ads can appear, increasing your visibility. Number 2. Ad extensions. You can enhance your ads with extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets, providing additional information and compelling reasons for users to click on your ad. Number 3. Location targeting. Target your ads to specific geographic locations, helping your reach local or global audiences based on your business needs. Number 4. Device targeting. You can target your ads to specific devices like desktop, mobile phones, or tablets, ensuring your ads are optimized for different user experiences. Number 5. Audience targeting. Use audience targeting to reach users based on their interests, demographics, behavior, or previous interactions with your website or app. Number 6. Ad scheduling. Set specific times and says Set specific times and days for your ads to appear, optimizing your ads spend for when your target audience is most active. 7. Number 7. Budget control. Google Ads allows you to set daily or monthly budgets, ensuring you have full control over your advertising expenses. Number 8. Ad formats. Google Ads supports various ad formats including text ads, display ads, video ads, shopping ads, and app promotion ads, giving you flexibility in you present your message. Number 9. Conversation Conversion tracking. Track the performance of your ads by setting up conversion tracking, which helps you measure the actions users take on your website after clicking on your ad. Number 10. Remarketing. Show ads to users who have previously visited your website or engaged with your app, increasing in chances of conversion. Number 11. Ad quality score. Google assigns a quality score to your ads, which is based on factors like ad relevance, landing page experience, and click through rate. A higher quality score can lead to lower ad cost and better ad placement. Number 12. Ad rotation. Choose how Google displays your ads to ensure they get equal exposure or prioritize higher performance ads. Number 13. Negative keywords. Exclude specific keywords that are not relevant to your business to prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant search queries. Number 14. Dynamic research ads. Let Google automatically generate ad headline and landing page based on your website content. Number 15. Shopping campaigns. Promote your products directly on Google Search, Google Shopping, and other Google networks with product listing ads. Number 16. Smart bidding. Use machine learning and automated bidding strategies to optimize your ad campaigns for specific goals, such as maximizing conversion and achieving a target return on ad spend. Number 17. Ad customizers. Create dynamic Personalized ads that change based on the user search query or other contextual information. Number 18, ad testing. Test different ad variations to determine which one perform best and make data-driven optimization. Google Ads is a continually evolving platform, so it's essential to stay updated with its latest features and best practices to get the most out of your advertising campaigns. Google Ads offers numerous benefits for businesses looking to promote their products or services online. Here are some key advantages. Number 1, immediate visibility. Google Ads can get your ads in front of potential customers almost instantly. When someone searches for keyword related to your business, your ad can appear at the top of search results. Number 2, highly targeted. You can target your ads to specific demographic locations, devices, and even the time of day. This precision allows you to reach the right audience with right message. Number 3, cost control. Google Ads gives you full control over your budget. You can set daily or monthly spending limits and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Pay per click or PPC, making it cost effective. Number 4, measurable results. Google Ads provides detailed performance metrics allowing you to track conversion, click through rates, and other key performance indicators. This data helps you make data driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. Number 5, remarketing. You can show ads to users who have previously visited your website or interacted with your app. This can help re engage potential customers and increase conversion rates. Number 6, flexible ad formats. Google Ads supports various ad formats including text ad, display ad, video ad, shopping ads, and app promotion ads, allowing you to choose the format that best suits your goals. Number 7, ad customization. You can customize ad copy, headlines, and extensions to make your ads more relevant and compelling to your target audience. Number 8, competitive insights. Google Ads provides insights into your competitors' advertising strategies, allowing you to define your own campaigns and gain a competitive edge. Number 9, global reach. With Google Ads, you can reach a global audience, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from local shops to multinational corporations. Number 10, fast and scalable. You can start small and scale your campaigns as your business grows. Whether you have modest budget or a significant advertising spend, Google Ads can accommodate your needs. 11, quality score. Google assigns a quality score to your ads based on their relevance, click through rate, and landing page quality. Higher quality ads can achieve better and placement at lower cost. Integration. Google Ads can integrate with other Google services like Google Analytics, allowing you to gain even more insights into user behavior and campaign performance. Number 13, mobile optimization. Given the increasing use of mobile devices, Google Ads offers mobile specific targeting option to reach users on smartphones and tablets effectively. Number 16, dynamic ads. You can create dynamic ads that automatically adjust their content based on the user search query and other contextual information, making your ads more relevant. Finally, Google Ads is versatile and powerful advertising platform that when used effectively, can drive traffic, increase brand visibility, and boost conversions for businesses across various industries. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and like our video.